Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to our second day of distance learning. Just a couple of quick reminders today. Great job yesterday. We did face some technology issues, which I'm afraid we'll always deal with. But if that occurs, reach out to your teacher through Gmail. Let them know you're having troubles, or reach out to the help desk. Today's our even period day, so you'll meet periods 2, 4, 6, and 8 today. The start times are on the left-hand side of the column here. 9 a.m. period 2 starts, 10:25 period 4, 12:15, and then 1:40. If you have an A and B day class today, your A day class will meet the period it always meets. So it's either 2, 4, 6, or 8, let's say. But it would meet the first 30 minutes. B day class would meet the last 30 minutes of each of these periods. And then 6th graders, you'll have advisory today. So period 4 at 10:25, log in to your advisory class. There'll be a quick check-in to see how you're doing from your advisory teacher. Hey, congratulations to our Students of the Week for the week of 9/28 through October 2nd. Numbers of kids have been nominated, and they're nominated for adding value, doing the right thing, being respectful, responsible. We appreciate that, Wildcats. That's the thing to do. That's why we're put on this earth, to add value to our lives and the lives of others. Winners drawn this past week were Josiah Shep. Mrs. Harder nominated Josiah. Congratulations. Emery Summers was nominated by Mrs. Fickner. Esther Kearns was nominated by Mr. Ebert. Congratulations, all three of you, for your Student of the Week winnings this week. Some words of wisdom. Let them judge you. Let them misunderstand you. Let them gossip about you, because their opinions aren't your problem. You stay kind and committed to love and free in your authenticity. No matter what they say or do, don't you dare doubt your worth or the beauty of your truth. Just keep on smiling like you do, and Wildcats, keep adding value. Have a great day today. Reach out if you need anything.